In this video I'm going to show you how you can reset service without the diagnostic computer. So press the ignition on the first step and then you want to go to the trip, navigate to the trip to see these kilometers. Then keep pressing answer button and OK together until you see this on the screen. So then you will navigate to assist plus. OK. Now you need to ignition completely to turn. You see now it says service overdue. You say OK. You go to full service and then confirm service. Yes. Cannot be undone. OK, confirm again. Full service carried out. That's it. Now once you start the car it will not be there anymore, and we will going to test that right now. And you can see there is no more information about the service. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, assalamu alaikum, may peace be upon you.